Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to repost a post on Craigslist. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Craigslist.org website right here and log into your account if you haven't already. If you do not know how to log into your account, just go ahead guys and click on this account button right here in the upper right corner, and after that you can go ahead and either sign up for a new account or log into an existing one. So after logging into your account, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page of Craigslist, where you can see all the categories for products that you can buy. So after all in these categories, now we can go ahead and get started with reposting our post. So the first thing we want to do guys is go ahead and see all our posts by clicking the account option right here in the upper right corner. Click on account, and this will now open up our account where we can see all of the posts that we have. So you can see here is my post, and guys, now let's say that we want to repost this. Maybe has passed a couple of days or it is soon expiring or something. This is how to do it. So as you can see guys, here we have the option to see the display. We can see to delete it or we can edit it. So guys, as you can see, there is no option to repost. So guys, what you can do is to go ahead and delete your post by clicking the delete button right here. Click on delete, and this is going to go ahead and delete your post. And after deleting your post guys, you can now go back and you can go ahead and post the exact same post by clicking the post button right here. Click on post, and now we can go ahead and select all the info regarding our item. Again, we can enter the image, we can select the location, so on, and just post the same ad again as the last one, and you can do this as many times as you want. So yeah, guys, basically that is it, how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.